Good morning guys. Today I am back with another video. This will be a car upkeep video and I will show you how to clean a dirty car at home effectively. You can see the car is very dirty. There are stresses of dust and it has accumulated very strongly on the body. You can check the roof. So dust is dust always there, including bird droppings, tea, sap. So it's very dirty. And for this, you may go to a car professional washer, but you can do it at home effectively if you have the required equipment with you. So for this, I will be using my trusted pressure washer, W3 pressure washer, a foam gun for foam wash, and for foam wash I will be using this particular foam wash. So I will also review this particular foam wash or foam soap, how it works on this type of stubborn dirty car. So let's start. Before washing the car, I will dust the car with the help of a duster. Then I will apply pressure water to remove as much dust as possible. Then I will apply foam wash. Then I will gently rub the entire body with the help of a microfiber cloth and finally clean it. And after cleaning, since this type of pressure wash normally it will strip your wax from the car body, so I will do a waxing also. So let's start the procedure. My Jopasu has got old. I need to replace it with this Jopasu and I will procure a new one. You can easily see how much dust it has accumulated. Now let me wash the loose dirt with the help of pressure washer. So let us start.
Play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, your check is I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. You got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just...
So I have applied water jet to the entire car and I have able to clean the dust particles. Now I will apply the foam wash to this particular car. So for this I require a foam gun and the ratio will be 1:10. 1:10 will be too much for this small car, so I will use a little less quantity. So let me prepare this foam.
You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me.
Shake vigorously before using this foam to get proper leather. Now let's check the pressure jet.
Expect nothing less, your check is I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. You got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession, all in his possession. You got their attention, I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna.
So gently rub the car body with the help of a microfiber cloth and the strokes will be to and fro motion like this, so there are no scratches on the car body, and ensure that you start from the top to bottom. The sealing needs to be done. Gate খুলে নাও, পেছন দিকে, সামনের দিকে দাও অথবা পেছন দিকে দাও. So this is how you rub with the help of a microfiber cloth. So it will wipe up any remaining debris and dust that remains on the car.
You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try to change, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who can.
Now I will wash the entire car. So let me wash it so that no stresses of this soap remains. In fact, always try to do this work in a shade. I should have done earlier.
Mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft. You can change lives, you create thoughts. Never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life. Better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts.
Now the washing process is over, and I will now wipe dry. I will start from the root area and come down. As you can see, all the dirt has gone, nothing is left, so it's very effective. Washing in this process is very effective. Now let me wipe dry the entire car and then I will show you how it looks. Trying to clean it fast as sun is going to rise and it will be difficult for us to properly wipe dry and give a glossy effect if sun rises actually, because it will attract water stains, so we are trying to do it very fast.
You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try to change, you can say no, free me. So he's been.
Now we have washed the entire car, and as you can see, it is absolutely clean. Since it has stripped the wax from the car body, I will apply some good wax to protect this paint. So let's wax it. For waxing, I will be using this particular Carnauba wax, which I have procured from Amazon, and if you want, I will give you the link. So for this, I will be using an applicator sponge. So let's wax the car.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try to change, you can say no.
So like this, I will apply it to the entire car, and once I finish it, I will show you. So we have nearly polished, in fact waxed the entire car, except this last door is still remaining, and like this I have waxed the entire car, and once it is finished I will show you the shine and gloss this car is having. In fact, it's an 11-year-old car and the paint is not in that good condition. That's why paint correction is not recommended in this type of car. So only a good wash and waxing will do the job, and it will give an adequate shine. And do remember, always try to do this type of job in a shade. So the entire polishing, in fact waxing job, washing and waxing job has been completed, and now I will apply some tire polish to the tires and the black areas to give it an enhanced look. You can already see the shine it's giving.
You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try to change, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him.
Now I am applying some tire polish so that it gives the car a more aesthetic look. So for this I am using a tire polish. This is the brand I am using. So I will also give you the links if you are interested to purchase. Simply spray it in your applicator sponge and apply to all the 4 tires.
You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try to change, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him.
No harm is in using tire polish, as this protects rubber, so you can easily use them. In fact, I am also practicing this particular work for a long time and has got good results.
Rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft. You can change lives, you create thoughts. Never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life. Better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like...
So the job has been completed. Let us see how it looks at this moment. This is how the car looks after a thorough wash and waxing. In fact, this particular job will take you around 600 to 700 rupees in any detailer's shop, which you can do it at home without much difficulty and to your satisfaction. So this is the process how you can do this particular job, and I hope I have been able to show you how easily you can do it at home without any difficulty. Even if you don't have a pressure washer, you can use the bucket method. With the help of 2 buckets you can also wash the car, since not everybody is having a pressure washer, but still you will get very good results. If you have liked the video, please do subscribe our channel for more videos like this, and your subscription gives us encouragement to make more videos for you. Thank you very much and goodbye.